Today I'm going to show you how to turn Excel tables into an editable branded PowerPoint report in just a couple of minutes. So I'm pulling the Excel tables into the platform. We teach the platform to read in your data structure, so you don't have to change anything about the way you currently produce your tables. It's asking me which of those tables I want to bring in. It's a small project, so I'm bringing in everything. First things first, I want to deliver this in my client's template, not my own, so I'm going to import a new theme. You can upload any PowerPoint template, and once you uploaded it, you have access to all of the slide layouts that you had within the template that you've uploaded. You see here, I can choose between different layouts depending on how I want to show this to my client. I'm just building a top line for this client, so I'm going to stick to the original layout. The other thing is they're particularly interested in their segmentation. So I'm going to jump to data settings. Obviously, you have access to whatever you've imported in your tables. So if you had 100 different column groups here, that's what would be available to you. I only had 5. On-demand segmentation is the one that they're most interested in. You can go with inside the column group. I'm just going to keep on-demand segmentation. At the moment, I've only done that to one slide. I want to apply that to everything. So apply to all. There we go. Obviously, you can change your chart types. You can switch your rows and columns around. So maybe for something like this, I want to do a stacked bar. You have granular control over how your charts are going to look. So you can move your legend around. You can even change your series colors to whatever you want. And whenever you're happy, you just hit download. And what you're exporting is obviously a PowerPoint report, but everything remains editable, even the charts. So nothing is images. You still have, if we hit enable editing, you still have the data in behind here so that you can continue to make edits as you wish. Obviously, we know that you're not all going to be delivering top line summary reports, so you can either make really good use of your slide layouts within the platform and customize everything within the platform, or you can continue to make edits once you've exported.